Let's start with the optimizing your website for the mobile application. Now there are different search engines which help you to optimize your mobile local search engine. It may include by getting listed in Google, then Yahoo, Bing's local section, and then you advertise the product on Google. Now let us go to the second point, that is choosing a mobile solution. Now when you're preparing a website, the first precaution what you need to take, it is that your website should be WAP enabled. WAP enabled means your website opens on your desktop as well as it opens on your mobile phone, and it gets automatically switched to different modes according to your mobile phone's application. Such designs are being called as responsive design, but it should be WAP enabled. Now the second design is being called as parallel mobile. Parallel mobile applications are considered to be those mobile applications where you're opening the website using your Android phones. Simultaneously you're opening the same website using an Windows application, and the third one is Apple iOS application. The last one is dynamic serving. If your mobile applications or your website is opening on all the different parameters, all the different platforms, and it gets fitted according to the screen, like from 3.5mm to 6mm, then it is being called as dynamic serving mobile solution. Now let us start with the third parameter. Now in the current example what you see of Haynes local search, here there are two tabs which have been specified. One is called as the call tab, the second one is called as find us. Now these two tabs are being highlighted. The reason is these two tabs on the back end are being connected to the website, where if you click on those tabs you will get a direct call and you will directly get linked with Haynes local search. Now what is the benefit of this? It has been mainly used because it makes it easy for mobile searchers to call and find you. Now the second advantage is visitors can easily access click to call button and a map. Now this trend is been increasing in number of mobile applications which are being prepared. Suppose that you have purchased a product from XYZ website and you have a particular complaint. You can directly go to the mobile application and you can just type in whatever complaint you have regarding the product, and it gets directly shifted to the company's databases. This trend has been increasing in case of the mobile applications which are being used by telecom companies like Vodafone, then you have Airtel and many such operators. Now we all are aware that when a website is being prepared, it gets stored on the server. Now server is a combination of first the RAM which is being allocated to the server, the second is the storage capacity of the server. Now if the RAM that has been allocated to the server is less and you are uploading a high density images on the website, then definitely there is a possibility that your website will slow down and the image will require too much time to open. So definitely if such a condition comes, the footfall on the website will get reduced. So you need to make sure that the page isn't slow, because you should consider that the page is opening on the website as well as on the mobile phone application. Secondly, you need to optimize the images. Optimizing images is not removing the images but reducing the pixel density of the image. Now pixel is considered to be the smallest element or a dot which combines together to form a particular image. That is being called as optimizing images. How to avoid the common mistakes done by us? We are writing an application or a website script and we are using half script of JavaScript. A half script is being used by using cascaded style sheet, that is CSS, and the other sheets have been prepared by using XML. We should stop using such type of scripting language. Either it should be used as CSS, either it should be used XML, or it should be used as JavaScript. We should also stop avoiding faulty redirects. For example, when you go to Google, you type in online courses, on digital marketing. The website or the courses which are listed on digital marketing should come to you instead of getting diverted towards the courses of business intelligence. Thirdly, using unuseful pop-ups which appear on the screen at random interval. Now let's move to the sixth step, how you will go ahead and use mobile SEO. Mobile SEO is called as mobile search engine optimization to track and improve your mobile ranking. First of all, when you're preparing a mobile application, please target those keywords or adwords which are being asked frequently by the end user or the end customer. These are being called as mobile specific keywords. Now the second feature is you need to find out how Google update will affect you. Now Google update is something like if Google is updating from Jelly Bean to the new version, then how will it affect you, whether the application what you have prepared will support it or not. Another feature is the hardware of the phone also should be taken care when you are using mobile SEO, because if the hardware of the phone is not up to the mark, definitely the websites or your mobile application will require too much time for opening. Thirdly, you need to track and keep your mobile ranking. The mobile ranking can be a point where you can monitor how many orders a particular company has fetched by using mobile as a tool, like using the mobile application, how many people have booked the orders. Let's look at the technical checklist. Now technical checklist in case of mobile application can be great only if it supports your mobile application to run in. Now the great design is only part of mobile site success. It's important to get the technical side right as well. Now there are few tips which can be used. For the first step is make sure that your mobile ads are configured to take users to the mobile site. Like if the person is searching for a product like watch, he should go to the mobile sites which are offering watches only. He should not land up to the mobile sites which are offering some other products like mobile phones. Make sure that the page count load in a logical order. Like if the images are being loaded onto the page, it should be on an ascending or a descending order. Or you can follow the principle of FIFO, first in first out or last in first out, that is called as LIFO. You also need to minimize download so that you can have a smooth experience. Before launching of these applications, you need to test it on each and every application and on each and every device. Let's assume the example where you have tested your website by using your Android, Windows and iOS phones. Secondly, you need to check the minimum configuration also of different phones. Like if the phone is having a 512 MB RAM and the screen size is 3.5 mm, will the application run on such phones also? If your phone is 3G enabled and currently if you're moving up to the network, will your phone support it? That is also one of the main concerns. Implement analytics and also the conversion tracking across your mobile sites. This will improve the traffic on your mobile sites.